This is a LeoVince Pro Race Full System for the Yamaha MT-09 from 2021 and up. This exhaust weighs in at just a hair over 11 pounds, being close to 6 pounds less than the OEM system. The exhaust is made in an AISI 304 stainless steel construction with a matte ceramic based black paint, which is resistant to high temperatures. This exhaust features a TIG welding, laser cut bracket, carbon heat shield, and a honeycomb mesh on the exhaust outlet. The exhaust features a LeoVince laser etched logo with an aluminum plate with the embossed LeoVince logo as well. This LeoVince exhaust will include everything you need to make for a direct bolt-on installation at an affordable price. This includes the LeoVince muffler, the link pipes, carbon fiber heat shield, all necessary hardware, the LeoVince card, as well as the stickers. Make sure to order your LeoVince at accessoryinternational.com. Thanks for watching our video today. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. Give us a call for any questions, and thanks for tuning in.